Hello everyone and welcome to Stamping with Ian. It's unboxing and order time. I've got two boxes here. One came Monday and one came today, so I thought I'd just do a combined video. I've got another box coming tomorrow, which is my 2020-2021 catalogue pre-order. Yay! And you'll see that on Friday. I might split it into a few parts. I don't know yet. I'll see how I feel. But getting on with today, the clearance rack and Last Chance had some specials. One of them was the Notes of Kindness card kit. So this one's still sealed. Put that one away. I had to open one, of course, just to see what it was like. So here we go. You get a stamp set. Thanks, you're so kind. Thank you. And some little flowers and some leaves and a thing. Yeah. There we go. You see that? Okay. You get a basic black stamping spot with it, and then you get the kit itself. So it's all sealed. So we'll get our trusty scalpel and just do a quick down there. And do a live opening. Oops. Do that. Go in recycling. That piece of card will come in useful for albums and things, so we keep hold of that. And what do we get here? Well, we get instructions. Notes of Kindness card kit. And these are the samples of what you can make, I'm guessing. Your kit includes set of 6 photopolymer stamps, clear stamp block, 20 printed card bases, 20 printed envelopes, die cut stickers and accents, basic black archival stamping spot, copper baker's twine, stamping dimensionals, and adhesive backed pearls. There are extra labels for thank you to card, so you can have a do-over if you need. And a list of coordinating colours, and put my teeth back in, an assembly key. Okay, and there are the, I guess you could say, instructions. So yeah, there's our stamping block. It's not as deep as the proper Stampin' Up ones, as you can see. I've got one here. This is so it's actually not far off. It's got Stampin' Up on it. Yeah, that's the depth. So yeah, I'm sure it will come in. That's away. So we have pearls, and of course you can colour these with your Stampin Blends if you so wish. Stamping dimensionals, you can never have too many of these. Peel-offs, yep, in English, French and German. Lovely, you see these? These are the envelopes, stamped. More peel-offs, I'm guessing. Yep. And how many sheets do you get? 1, 2 of those, 3 of those, 5 sheets of those. Beautiful. Card bases. Oh, pre-printed card bases, in fact. 1, 2, 2 designs, 3 designs. More die cuts. Oh, I think is that a different card base? Maybe. And more die cuts. And more die cuts that you can stamp on. So yeah, very beautiful. I love it. I'm so glad I got this. It was actually on special. I think it was either 30 or 40 pounds, but reduced to £13.20. So, you know, I had to get 2. Right, well, I mean, you do, don't you? You know. So put that away. Put that away like that. Oh, and there's the copper twine. Very pretty. I love that. Copper's one of my favourite colours. My nickname as a child was Copper Knob. So that's that one. There was another kit available on special. Well, not a kit. It's actually a medley. And it's known as the Botanical Prints Product Medley. So, and this was a bargain. This was £65 originally. Sorry, just need a drink. Reduced to 26. So, red rubber stamp set. Here you, friend. Thank you kindly. I'm always here for you. Dies, which I'm going to guess will match. Will match those. Yes, I'm guessing they do. Lovely. And some leaves as well. Away. Old olive twill ribbon. Wonder if can I get a bit of that out without? Do you want to see me try? Get my toolbox. I'm guessing that's the end. I've been trying to keep the plastic intact to stop the ribbon from going everywhere, because then it's contained like that. So yeah, beautiful. Old olive is one of my favourite colours, of course. Then we get a plastic bag, more cardboard for future albums, notebooks and what have you. And in here we have some beautiful bumblebees. Right, can I get this open? I can, and I'll see if I can do you a close-up of one. Right. There you go. You can see that? Beautiful, isn't it? It's really pretty. So a little bag of those. Seal them up. And then another plastic bag. Not recyclable, I'm guessing. Come on, Stampin' Up. Let's get into some recycling, shall we? So die cuts. 2 sheets of those. Some beautiful flowers, a sheet of those, 2 sheets of those, I'll tell a lie, some laser cut pieces, how many designs, two of those designs, and two of those designs, I'm guessing. Yep, and in two colours as well. And then the DSP, black and white on this side, so you can colour it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. How many sheets of each do you get? 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. Oh, have I got 7 of these? 1, 2. Oops. Yeah, yellow as well. 6, double-sided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, do you get 8 of each? I'm guessing you do. 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 sheets of each. So those patterns, we have stripes and lemons. Oh, another fancy pattern with flowers and those and those. So that is that. So that's all the DSP there. So that's the Botanical Prints product medley. Really, really beautiful. I will be honest and say, yeah, I wouldn't have paid full price. In fact, I didn't. No, it's not something I would have bought at full price. You know, I'm being honest here. But it's on special. Yeah, it's really pretty, really pretty. So put this back in its box, and we'll move on to order number 2, shall we? Right, there we go. Now then, first out the box is my Stampin Blends storage. I've already got storage for my ink pads, as you would have already seen on the last little photograph of the craft room. But my blends are currently in boxes. 1 box for lights, 1 box for darks. And it would be nice to have them on display. So hey presto. Oops. These come in useful, don't throw them away. Yeah. There we have blends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each one holds 30 blends, and they do come to bits. Kind of. Because I've not decided yet whether to do the rainbow, like this, or whether to do them in colour families and put them on top of my ink pads in their colour families. I've not decided that yet, but I dare say I'll decide soon. These are the feet. I've got thousands of these. Thousands. Okay, that's not recyclable. There's no recycling information on it. That's annoying. So until the job gets done, I'll go back in its box. I've got 2 of those, as you can see. So put that away. So Stampin Blends. I've got some specials. Real red. What's this? Real red ruched ribbon. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? That is so gorgeous. I just had to have 3 rolls of it. Well, I'm thinking about Christmas cards, you know, shortly. And, you know, yeah. So with that in mind, I also got real red and I think there's a garden green. Doesn't say, but I've got a few of those as well. Oh, I've got a topper for my Stampin Blends as well. You know, if I set them high up, then there'll be a top to go on top, yeah. And finally, I got just one of these. I wasn't quite sure whether I used them or not. Coloured doilies. I'll just open those up. Various colours. White on the other side. How many colours do we have? 1, 2, 4 colours. Quite pretty. Now I've ripped the bag. So there we go, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up, you know, subscribe of course, and ring the bell, and you'll always know when something's on the boil. And you know, I always do premieres on a Wednesday and a Friday at 8 PM UK time. So once again, yeah, subscribe. I've already said that, you know. Being on this pain medication is such fun, I tell you. Anyway, bye for now. Enjoy whatever you do today and be well. See ya.